$220 billion. Yes, Qatar is rumored to spend that much money on this year's World Cup. For context, during the 2010 World Cup, South Africa spent around only $3.5 billion. So is it worth it? How much money does the host country actually make? So you need to know that the key revenue streams are hotel and accommodations, ticketing and licensing rights. Ticket sales are 100% owned by a FIFA subsidiary. Yes, the countries make some money from hotels, restaurants, accommodations, but it's not nearly as much the host country has to spend on its infrastructure for development. TV and media rights go 100% to FIFA. Sponsorship, marketing and licensing rights go 100% to FIFA. One actual point of revenue for the host country is because of the tourism boost economy. But that also seems to fade away just after the World Cup. And also, in order for the host countries to get the World Cup in their country, they have to give FIFA and its partners a lot of tax breaks and loopholes. So literally FIFA spends almost nothing and earns billions of dollars. So all this cost is paid by the host country by using taxpayers' money or by taking billions of dollars of debt just to get the eyes of the world on them. So what do you think? Is it worth it? And after knowing the economics of Football World Cup, should India aim to host World Cup one day? Please write down your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.